This demo covers the company code object in Itego RDM for SAP MDG. It is going to show the process of extending already existing general ledger accounts to a new company code. The demo starts in MDG-F by looking for a specific GL account. In order to do this, you navigate to the object result page via the Launchpad, specify the criteria and hit search. As we can see, the GL account already exists, and by clicking on it, its attributes become visible. The next step is an attempt to extend this GL account to the company code DK03. This is done by selecting the company codes on the overview page and clicking on New. After choosing a change request type, we get a selection of all available company codes. And as we can see, company code DK03 does not exist yet. It needs to be created in RDM first. It is not an everyday scenario, but we're going to use it anyways, as it shows a lot of the functionalities which RDM offers. In this case, creating the company code DK03 will be done by copying the already existing company code DK01, as copying is the regular use case for this object. To do this in RDM, you navigate to the company code section on the Launchpad, and we're going to use the search function to quickly find company code DK01. After locating it, we simply have to tag DK01 and click on copy. We are then asked which change request type we would like to use, and for demonstration purposes, we're going to choose the two-step process. We then name our new company code DK03 and get the chance to edit it. The first step in this process would be to add the description to the change request to identify it in the later workflow process. The second step is to modify the attributes of the company code, and in this case we'll simply change city and company name. We can then check and submit the change request which needs to be approved. This step, however, is not shown in order to keep this demo concise. The newly created company code is now distributed to the connected ERP via a transport and is then ready for use in the ERP. This can be verified by navigating through the SAP reference IMG. We now also have the options of assigning field status variants, allowing to define which input fields should be used. As DK03 is available for use and integrated into MDG-F, we can now continue with the initial process of extending the GL account to the defined company code. In order to do this, you navigate to the GL account page in MDG-F and search for the GL account in the same manner as in the first step, and then click on it. You can then press on Add in the company code section, and you will then have to choose a change request. Afterwards, you get to enter the actual company code. By using the F4 help, we can see that DK03 is now available and selected. As a last step, we add a description to the change request and submit it. The MDG RDM workflow can now continue as usual, meaning an approval by a data steward and a data specialist, followed by a distribution to all relevant tables and connected systems.